Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have 3 to the power of x plus 4 minus 4 to the power of x plus 3 is equal to 0. And we're asked to find the value of x in this equation. Okay, now we can say that, so the first thing to do here now is to apply this law of logarithm, where you have a m plus n is the same thing as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So let's use this rule to start solving this equation now. So here we have x, 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, we bring this down. Multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 is going to give you 81. Multiplied by 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. Now we have 4 to the power of 3 is going to give you what? 64. That's equal to 0. Okay? Now, we can now say that 3 to the power of x multiplied by 81 is equal to, when this moves, becomes positive, 64. Okay, now let's divide both sides by 81 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 81 divided by 81, okay, is equal to 4 to the power of x multiplied by 64 over 81 dot 4 to the power of x. All right, now 81 cancel 81. 4 to the power of x cancels 4 to the power of x. So what we are left with here is what? 3 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is equal to 64 over 81. Okay? Now, we have this as in this value now. We are looking for the value of x. Okay? Now, we're going to be applying this rule where you have a over b, am over b, a to the power of m, or let's put it this way, where you have a to the power of m over b to the power of m is the same thing as a to the power of m in this form. Okay, so now we'll have 3 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 64 over 81. Now we're going to be taking the log of both sides by applying this rule, where you have, when there is x log a is the same thing as, or let's say log ax is the same thing as x log a. Now that means that x log 3 over 4 is equal to log 64 over 81. Okay, now let's divide both sides by log 3 over 4. So divide here by log 3 over 4, divide here by log 3 over 4. This cancel this, so our x is what? Log 64 over 81 all over log 3 over 4. Okay, now you can also say this to be log 64 is what? 4 to the power of 3, right? Over 3 to the power of 4 all over log 3 over 4. So this is our answer. Bye bye.